How to fix 99 plus hours on PS4. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can fix 99 plus hours on PS4, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you've been trying to download a certain game on your PS4 and it says 99 plus hours left or something like that, now first of all what I want you to do is make sure you're only downloading one game at a time. So if you're downloading multiple ones, select that and click on the options option, and when you click on the options button, go to delete and first of all delete that game. And then again, just also make sure you're connected to a proper internet connection by going to network. Now if you're using wireless, you can also try to use with a LAN cable. That would really speed up the internet connection. Then you can go to your PlayStation store and then you can simply search for the game that you want to download again, right? So here let me just select a certain game that I might want to download here, and once I do that, I'll simply select that particular game. And after I've done that, I will simply go to this little option that says download. So when I click on download, now it should download at full speed. Make sure your internet is connected just fine and download only one game at a time. So next time when you come to the home tab and then you go to the downloads option over here, then there you should be able to see any sort of downloads that you have in this downloading section. Make sure you're downloading only one at a time. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.